If you want to collaborate on your workbook with another user, what you can do is share that with them, and then you can both edit it at the same time. To do that, there's two different ways. One way is to go to File and Share. You can share it with people, and it'll open a window that allow you to enter the name of a user, a group, or an email for somebody external. You can choose to allow them to edit the document if you want them to collaborate, or they can view the document if you just want them to be informed. You can add a message because when you hit send, it will send a link to this document to them through email. So you have a message explaining what it is. As soon as they click on that link to access the document, you'll receive an email back saying that your file has been accessed. That way you know that somebody has actually taken the time to review it. The other way is in the top right, you have the share button up here. If you click there, you have a couple other options. You can share, you can copy a link to it, you can link to this sheet, and you can co-edit in Teams, which will put this in Teams to allow that group where you're putting it to edit it. Again, if I click the share button, it's going to open up the same window. So that is how you share a workbook in Excel.